Hello, my name is Equinary Kilim. I am from DPM4. My student ID is 1250505705701. Today I am acting as the officer on watch about the ultra large vessel, the MSM MSC Thesa. In this technical briefing, I will present our vessel structural specification, highlight key anatomical features, and detail our current cargo operations as required for port authority clearance and crew situational awareness. The MSC Tessa is a state-of-art post-Suez Max ultra-large container vessel operating under the flagship management of the Mediterranean Shipping Company. To give you an idea of immense scale, overall she has a length overall or LOA of 399.99 meters and molded beam width of 61.5 meters. Her gross tonnage stands at 236,078 tons with a maximum deadweight tonnage capacity of 272,373 tons. She is classed under the Premier Classification Society (DNV), ensuring she meets the highest international engineering and safety standards. Moving to her hallmarkings, Plimsoll line, also known as the load line, is permanently marked amidships on the port and the starboard sides of the hull. As the officer on watch, monitoring the line is critical and its fundamental purpose is to indicate the max legal depth to which the ship can be safely loaded in different water density and geographic zones to maintain adequate buoyancy. For a massive ship like MSC Tessa, strictly observing these lines prevent overloading and ensures stability during heavy rolling through rough seas. First, now let us conduct brief structural walkthrough of 5 major parts of our vessel. First, the navigation bridge and superstructure. Unlike older ship designs, the bridge on MSC Tessa is pushed significantly forward. This unique optimization maximizes the line of sight of the bridge team over high container stacks and increased deck cargo capacity. Second, the hull and bulbous bow. The hull is designed with a modern vertical bow profile. It features an innovative air lubrication system. This system releases continuous layer of tiny air bubbles beneath the hull, reducing frictional drag against the water and drastically lowering fuel consumption. Third, the cargo holds. Now, below the main deck layout are the deep internal cargo holds. These holds are reinforced with heavy-duty vertical cell guides that allow containers to be lowered and locked seamlessly into place, protecting them from external weather elements. Fourth, the lashing bridges. On the upper deck, we utilize the high-profile steel lashing bridges because our container stacks can reach up to 25 layers high above the deck. These rigid bridges allow the deck crew to safely anchor and secure the top tiers using twist locks and lashing rods. Fifth, the engine room. Located toward the AFT, our engine room houses a massive conventional main diesel engine coupled with an advanced shaft generator motor. This configuration generates clean electrical energy directly from the propeller shaft's rotation while underway, powering the entire vessel efficiently. The MSC Tessa is currently fully laden and executes cargo discharging and loading cycles. Our cargo classification consists entirely of intermodal freight containers. These include standard dry van containers holding general consumer goods, electronics, and automotive parts, Crucially, we are also carrying high volume of reefer containers which are like refrigerated units carrying temperature sensitive perishable goods like food and pharmaceuticals. As the officer on watch, it is my duty to ensure these reefers are plugged into the ship auxiliary power system, that temperature logs are checked every watch. In terms of measurement, our cargo capacity is strictly quantified in TEUs, which stands for 20-foot equivalence unit. The total maximum carrying capacity of MSC Tessa is the outstanding of 2,401 and 116 TEUs, making her one of the largest cargo capacities in maritime history. When translating this weight, the vessel transports over 2,400 metric tons of cargo at maximum draft. In conclusion, commanding and maintaining a vessel of this magnitude requires absolute precision in maritime English communication, strict adherence to load lines, and continuous monitoring of our structural integrity and cargo stability. This concludes my technical oral briefing for MSC TESA. Thank you for your attention.